Okay peeps, welcome back to Hobbies and Gadgets. And as you can see, I've demolished the van. And I'm actually camping tonight, so I've got to tidy up, get this bed together. Oh my god, crazy. But I've got there guys, I've got there. What can I say? I've dismantled the shower, I've just made my bed stronger, I haven't bolted it to the actual frame, and I've built a kitchen area. How it's turned out, really cool. So what I did, I used the PVC from my old shower area, and I've done as much as I can to my kitchen area. Let me give you a little look. So obviously, look at that. And all I've got to do is sand down this with a sandpaper. I haven't got a sandpaper with me, or use one of those machines. Had a bit of issue here. The fridge, I was planning to put 2 in here, but I just realised when I put the sink in, it was a bit too tight. So I'll have a look when I get the sink and make sure, but I don't think I can get a second fridge under there now. So what I have to do is put it back underneath here, one there, one there. I'm happy with that. It slides out, want to slide out that way, want to slide out that way. So I'll strengthen the bed, and this bed works great. I put the box there still, where is it? This one here, my homemade table. All I do, I put this on top for tonight. It's got like a latch, there you go, and that's in. I put the covers on top of that, no problem. I'm going to tell you a few updates I'm doing. So my C200CS toilet is, I've returned it. The reason I've returned it, if I cut a hole in my van, I'm going to have about, I don't know, 1.5 inch gap from the door. So obviously when I'm taking out the cassette, you know, them things leak. I might get a bit of leakage inside, you know, inside the actual turning groove, and I don't want that. People actually foamed it out and stuff, but I don't want to have like, you know, waste in the side of my gaps of my van. Technically what I should have done, I should have done it straight to the bodywork and then worked around it, but never mind. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to build a toilet on top of the water tank and then PVC it, and I'm going to do it square. I'm not going to have it like in a U, if you know what I mean. The reason is I've got wires here for my cameras, my lights, my TV, and you know, power cables hanging everywhere. I need to get to these wires if I need to. So I need my shower to actually bolt off the wall if I need to get behind there as quick as, you know, as quick as possible basically. So yeah, I'm planning to do like a box and then come out, shower room. It looked nice in there. Now I'm going to move that inside the shower room, bolt everything up, and that's that. The second thing is, you know, I'm trying to make this van as light as possible. I've bidded on a VW chair, okay? The reason I bidded on a VW chair, I wanted to put a steel one here because I failed on the aluminium, and you know, have seat belts and that in there for the kids to be safe. So obviously I bought the chair. The reason I bought the chair, it was cheaper to buy a chair second hand, plus it's got storage underneath, and it's safer for kids instead of getting, you know, instead of welding one up or getting someone else to weld one up for me to put there, because obviously it would have worked out to about 200 quid when you buy your steel, your points, and you know, your belts and your bolts and stuff like that. So I bidded on one of these. Hopefully I'll win it, and then I'm going to install that over there, and all I have to do is move my diesel heater, you know, cut a plate out of the box, use one of those compartments, and then put stuff on top of it. So I'm happy with that. But this, what I built today in the van, was awesome. I used most of the plastic, as you can see, from the shower area. I put some doors on. I've got nails, so I've got to be careful for tonight, but I'll grind them off. But look inside of that, look, PVC. Obviously this blue stuff peels off. Look at that. If the fridge doesn't fit in that side, I will build another 2 drawers in there, or I put my microwave in there. I make it look nice with my microwave. But we will see when it comes, because obviously I'm waiting for my my sink and my hob, and I'm ready to roll. Bit of Only Fools and Horses. TV's working great. I put a new aerial on that. That is working brilliant. My power is doing good. My power wall's doing great. This thing's got to be sold now. Don't need it. Look, all this junk, peeps. I've got to hurry up and get this out because camping time. but look how big the wood was. You know, I had to sacrifice things, peeps. This is what people don't realise. Obviously, I put the big chair in here now, and you know, these things, they weigh about 100 kilos, you know, or 60, I don't know, around 60 to 100 kilos, yeah? Example. You can see how thick this wood is. Look how much wood I had. And you'd be surprised how much screws was in there, man. It's over 70 screws. It was strong as hell, though. But look at that one. I only put one screw, that way, and it's holding really tight. Plus, it's half the size of that. So, my shower room will be half that weight. Or maybe even more, you know, less than that weight. So, yeah. Make sure I get that on there properly. Put a plug in for the heater. Obviously, this is only for hookup purposes. I've got to put another screw in that side. I left the wires there, peeps, because obviously I'm still working on wires. I've got to put another plug in here somewhere for the fridge and the oven. Yeah, and that's about it for the updates. But guys, I'm going to give a shout out because I bought some stuff, man. Trust me, I bought some stuff for this camper van, and you'll love this. Trust me. I'll give you a little look around. I'll show you. If you see anything you want to know about, let me know. So I'm going to give a shout out to Semi Living. There's an American couple, and they travel in a truck camper. And trust me, watch some of their videos, peeps, or watch them all if you want. But obviously, I found other videos related to what I'm buying. It's a 12-volt lunchbox, and apparently these lunchboxes only for heating up food. But people are actually cooking full dishes out of them, because obviously I'm not sure what degrees they get inside, but some people say 380, some people saying 440. I'm not really sure. I'm not going with the Road Chef. I bought a Chinese version, and to be honest, I only paid a tenner for this one, plus a seller's actually sent me one out, but it never had 12 volt. It had to go on a plug socket. So I would have done a review today. Worth me doing it on a 240 volt. I need to show people on a 12 volt that you can cook, I don't know, chicken and rice from frozen or from raw meat in a lunchbox on 12 volt. And I'm going to do some experiments. I'm going to cook like lasagna, spaghetti bolognese, everything on my 12 volt system, and I'll tell you how much power it took, and you know, all the drainage and how long it took and stuff like that. But I've ordered another one now because I need two, because obviously it's 5 of us. And technically one box can do 2 people. Maybe you get away with 3, depends what you're cooking. Like rice and chicken, you might do 3, but if you're cooking something like, I don't know, a lasagna, you might do it with 2. But yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Trust me, it is sick. I've been watching YouTube videos over and over again, but I like watching American ones because, you know, they got some recipes what we don't, you know, like example biscuits and just different things. Like ours is basic, you know, like fish and chips. I wouldn't I wouldn't say you can cook chips in it, but I've seen people cook roast potatoes, and it does crisp it. It's crazy. So if I get it tomorrow, I will put up the video tomorrow for you, and I'll do, I don't know, chicken and rice, just to see, and I'll taste it and make sure I cut the meat and show you it's not red inside and stuff like that. But you know what I mean, like fish example. If it can cook steak and chicken, fish is going to take, bloody hell, 5 minutes, right, to cook a fish. Because I've seen other people cooking, I don't know, like a lasagna in 10 minutes. But obviously, I don't know if it's a fake video, I don't know, you know, but obviously, Semi Living, she's got some good videos. Go and watch her, and then you make your own mind up. But I will put it to the test. But yeah, guys, Hobbies and Gadgets now signing out. Anything you want to know, leave messages in the comments below. Smash that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, and share the videos. Peace out. Now I'm going to watch Only Fools and Horses, okay? Bye.